guys, so we're doing a day in the life today and we're just filming our route from PASSFIELD to campus. Kyle, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Kyle.
We both do BSc Economics and we both take accounting and finance as our optionals, so it's really useful just because we can walk to campus together. Solen takes IR. Alright, so we woke up bright and early this morning to get to our 9 a.m. Which is accounting, and then I've got a class today, so does Kyle, and then another lecture. So guys, we're making our daily stop at Greg's because neither of us cook breakfast.
I actually do.
That is a
I
lie.
make a wrap. I make a tuna wrap.
We just got out of accounting, and so we booked a study room in the library. Explain what you guys are doing.
So we'll just go through the quizzes and the problem sets for the week set by accounting.
And then also the maths.
We just came out of econ. Louis, say hi.
We didn't. I'm not in this week.
It's fun time. We're walking back. Actually, I'm meeting my friend now. So yeah, it'll be fun. Okay, so I just got back and I'm going to probably do some work. It's about 5 and I usually go down to dinner at 6, so I'll do some work before then, and then I have maths and stats tomorrow. So after dinner I'll probably do preliminary reading for that and then do some class work because I have a class tomorrow as well. So yeah, that's my day in the life. Can you say bye?
Bye.